What is up, everybody? Zach here. I'm just going to quickly run you through our newest release that includes a whole host of usability improvements. So let's dive into it. So the first feature we're going to start off with is bulk edit. This has been requested by many of you, so let's just run through how it works. You can use bulk edit from both the pipeline view as well as the list view. So if I scroll over a column here, I can select it. I can scroll over to bulk edit and click this to make a bulk edit. You can edit deals, leads, all types of information by using the bulk edit feature. So in order to use it, you can select deal stage, really anything you'd really like to change here. We're going to select deal value. You can see here that a lot of these deals don't have values attached to them. So maybe let's fix that, right? Maybe you can see 10K up here per year. Maybe that's what we want to do for all of these deals. We'll click bulk edit. We'll click value and we'll make it 10,000. Confirm and edit. And there we go. We're now processing this bulk edit. I'll click all done. Let's go ahead and refresh the pipeline. And there you go. You can see all those deal values have been increased to 10K per year. So it's a really powerful feature. It's quick, it's easy to use, and I think all of you will find it really intuitive. And just to clarify, if I do hop over into the list view here, similarly, I can select and bulk edit just like I did in the pipeline view. Now let's hop into calendar personalization. So in order to personalize your calendar, you first have to set a calendar. So you can click settings, go over to connected accounts, and then under connected accounts, you can see calendar link. Just click calendar link, paste your calendar. This could be Calendly, you can book me, maybe it's your own service, whatever it might be, you can paste the calendar link, and this will allow you to personalize with playbooks and email templates using the calendar link. We'll paste it in there and then click save. And in order to use it, I can hop over into either email templates or into playbooks and use it to personalize those. We'll create a new template here. I can click personalize, sender, calendar link. And if you want to link it, you can actually just copy this, link it to itself, and ensure that it's linked across all email services. And we'll click save. This is also really useful within playbooks when following the website leads, what have you. Your whole team can now use a single playbook and personalize to each individual user by inserting their individual calendar link for each team member. You probably also noticed that email templates look a little different. So now let's cover bookmarks, our other major feature we just released. So we just created this booking template, right? And maybe it's something we use really often and we like it quite a bit. Well, we can just click it and now it's bookmarked. And what that means is it slides to the top of all your email templates. And if you're like our team, you're going to have tons of email templates. So it's really valuable to be able to prioritize which templates you use the most. And you can do so by just clicking the bookmark icon on the left. And just to clarify, this is unique to you. Your bookmark templates are going to be different than your team's bookmark templates. Bookmarks are also applied to playbooks. So let's hop into playbooks really quickly. If you have some that you like and use a lot, just click the bookmark icon on the left here. And there you go. If I refresh playbooks, you'll see it appears at the top there. So if you were to use this, where does this come to play? Where can you use bookmarks? So if I open up my pipeline really quickly and open up a lead, I'll compose a new email here. If I click template, you can see the bookmarked templates appear at the top, making it really easy to filter out which ones you want to use and which ones you might use less. If I type in a search here, you can see those templates also are still prioritized even within the search for those templates. The next major feature we're going to cover is an improved experience when enrolling contacts into playbooks. So here we are in our pipeline. Say there's lots of leads here we want to enroll. We'll go to new really quickly. Select who we want to enroll. Click playbooks and click add to playbook. You can now see there's a variety of playbooks here. You can see the steps of all the playbooks. This is in playbook with only emails. The one beneath it has a task, email, call, email, LinkedIn, and 4 other steps within that playbook. So this gives you an overview of the playbook before you enroll contacts in it. And on top of all of that, you can see that the bookmark feature is also applied here when enrolling. So when you go to enroll contacts in playbooks, your favorite playbooks appear at the top for easier access. So we've covered the major features. Now let's dive into the smaller, more minute features that are still really huge. The first one is new activities. For example, if I create a new lead, go ahead, click create. We'll now see there's a created activity at the end of this lead's activity. If I add a note, there we go. You can see the created activity is always at the bottom of the lead's activity feed. This shows you when they're created, and it gives you some insight into how they tie into all your communication with them. Another aspect of activities is the stage change activity. If I go here and click responded, you can see there's now a stage change activity that appears whenever I change a stage. And keep in mind, this only changes every 15 minutes or so. So if you change it quickly, that's totally fine. It will update the most recent change. Maybe I actually meant to change it to interested. There we go. Make sure it doesn't clutter up your activity feed. Another major feature we've improved was tasks. Let's go create an example of a task. Let's open up our pipeline here, find somebody with a contact. There we go, and create a task to follow up with Eric. Click create that task. And you'll now see, instead of displaying the lead name, it now displays the instructions for that specific task. You can also snooze and complete the task without having to open it. If you do want to open it, you can see tasks are now much simpler than they used to be. And the very last feature we're going to cover is custom date ranges. If I open up advanced filters here, you can click add a filter, go to a date filter like date created, and you can scroll down to custom date range. And then you just select one date and select another date, and it will filter for that custom date range. So there you go. That's LeadLoft's latest release. This is a ton of features that our team has been wanting for a long time. So we're excited to get it live, and hopefully you value them too. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the chat bubble in the bottom right. I'll see you guys in the next video.